Doing today? So what we're offering this morning is a little turn of the century cigar nipper. Back in the day you would find these in every bar and every cigar store. They're really quite popular. This is probably 1901 to 1906. So what I did is I sent it out. I had it all replated so it's got nice plate on it. But down here the spring, everything works to get your little cigar butts out. It's all been glass beaded inside. This is the original New Currency cigar, 5-cent cigar label in it. Just a great little cigar nipper, look good on your bar. I'm always trying to buy these, they're very popular. So as well as when I plated it, I didn't plate the cutting tool, so it's not plated in there. I taped it off so that it's still nice and sharp, right? So there's no plate on the razor edge, okay? Nice little New Currency cigar lighter, turn of the century, ready to go. If you buy it before noon, Jeff will have it out the same day, so we never list anything unless it's ready to go. As well as if you have any restorations, please get with us and we'll try to get you taken care of. We can pick up stuff nationwide and have it brought in and then return it the same way. It's one-stop shop. Just give us a call or text us or email us. Anyway, thanks for watching. Great little cigar lighter, and it can be yours.
Is this something the manufacturer or the tobacco companies would have bought to put in the bar for their advertising, or?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay. So kind of like a point of sale type thing.
Yes.
Very cool. Here it is.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.